Hello everybody, thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for supporting. Okay, now I want to show you how to can create the dog. Really simple, really easy origami. I bring the square sheet paper for you. I use the white square sheet paper because your dog is white. If your dog is black, maybe you are fearful. Okay, our square sheet size is 20 centimeter. We start. Okay, you must fold like this. After that, you must fold like this. It's really easy, really nice, really creative. Okay, this one. After you fold this, you must, really easy, you must fold like this. That you must fold like this. This is the ears of the dog. This origami is only one step different than cat origami. Only one step, all same. Okay, this one you must fold, turn it over. It's really nice, really powerful. Okay, you must, this one you fold. After you fold this, you must fold this. It's really easy and really nice. Okay, the head you must fold like this. Okay, you turn it over. Your cat nearly finished. If you see this one, it's like as the cat, but only your ear must change. Like this. Only ear near finish. You see, very easy, really nice, really simple. Really. Okay, your cat is ready. Only you need the pen and we create the eye. It's really easy. Really easy. Okay, you need the big nose like this. And the lip. Okay, your cat is ready. Really nice. Maybe my drawing not really good, but thank you to watching my creative video origami channel. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Have a good time in your life. Please be careful. Take care about yourself. Okay, this is the dog origami. Thank you very much to see my origami. Thank you. Have a nice time.